Hello, everybody. Welcome to your teacher sort for sort number 46. We're going to be looking at past tense sounds, so this ed. If you notice, all of our words end in ed, but ed does not make the same sound. You're probably used to ed making the id sound, like waited, but it can also make the d sound, like prayed, or the t sound, like picked. So we're going to sort based off of the sounds today. Just remember, pay attention to sound. All right, going to get started over here. Rained. So that has the d sound. So I'm going to bring it over to this column. Rained, right? So prayed, rained. About dusted, right? That has the id sound. So I'm going to bring that over here, right? So weighted, dusted has that id at the end of that. Melted, another one that goes with that one, right? Weighted, dusted, melted, that id sound. Twisted, another one that goes here. Yelled, that has that d, yelled, right? So rained, yelled, prayed, it has that d at the end. Walked, walked has the t at the end. So we're going to put that here. Picked, walked, has the t sound. Screamed, screamed has that D at the end, so we're going to move that over here. Turned has also that D sound. We're going to bring that over here. D. Loaded. Loaded has that id sound at the end, so that goes in the middle here, right? Handled. Handled as well has the id sound in the middle. Cleaned. Cleaned has a D sound as well, so that needs to go here. Cleaned. Let's go over this column. Jumped. Jumped has a T sound. So we're going to put that here. Walked, jumped. Snowed. Snowed has a D sound. It can be confusing, these D and T, so really be careful. This one is going to be the most obvious, but D and T are hard. Asked. Asked. Right? That goes over here with the T. Mailed. Mailed has the D, so we're going to put that here. Bumped. Bumped. Whenever you're kind of just putting that T there, that T sound, we're going to put it in this column. Missed. Missed. Kind of sounds like it has a T at the end. So it goes there. Needed. Right? That's the easy one. Id. So it goes in the middle. Past. Past has that T. Dressed. Dressed has also that T. And finally, started has that id, so that goes in the middle. Started. All right, so let's just review and make sure they all match. So these all have to have the D sound. Prayed, rained, yelled, screamed, turned, cleaned, snowed, mailed. If you notice, every single sound when I end it was D. Let's go to the middle on id. This is easier to hear. Weighted, dusted, melted, twisted, loaded, handled, needed, started. And if you notice, handled is out of place. That's my fault. Handled makes a D, so I need to move that there. Okay? Just be careful. This sort is tricky, even for a teacher. Letter T makes the T sound. So let's see if all these match. Picked, walked, jumped, asked, bumped, missed, passed, dressed. Right? So it has all those T sounds. All right, message me if you have any questions. If not, you're good to go. Make your notes. Thank you, guys.